Hello everyone, and welcome back to another video of the AutoCAD full course 2019. And in this video we're gonna learn how to use the FILLET command right here. Now, as usual, there are several ways to access this command, simply by clicking on the icon on the home palette on the ribbon, or just by going to view, then the tool palettes, then click on modify, and you can find this right here, or just by tapping on the screen as we learned in the last videos. Now I'm gonna go over and draw a simple rectangular just like that. Then click on the FILLET command. He's gonna ask you to select the object that you want to fillet, but before that you got to set your radius and choose between polyline or multiple, and choose whether you want to trim the edges or not. I'm gonna set the radius first. I'm gonna make it 10. Then if you click on polyline, he's gonna fillet the whole rectangular. If you click here, you can see he filleted the rectangular, the whole rectangular, all the corners, the 4 corners, as you see. Now if you draw something, I'm gonna draw something else, another rectangular. Now if you click on fillet, put the radius, another 10. If you click on multiple, he's gonna make you able to choose the corner that you want to fillet. If you choose this line and this line, he's gonna fillet this one. If you click on this line and this line, he's gonna fillet this one. Now the trim, you can choose whether you want to trim the edges or the lines, or just you want to keep them. If you click no trim and then choose the corner, he's gonna fillet the rectangular but keep the lines, as you see, just like that. And this is the difference between them. If you click on undo, he's gonna undo the command, just like that. Now that was pretty much what we have for today. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you subscribe to the channel. Thank you again, and stay tuned for another video.